All right, YouTube. So we got a sticky mount, stuck a GoPro to the back of the old BugASalt. Don't shoot in face or eyes. Terrible idea. Because, he flew off. We got little flies everywhere. And I'm trying to get some painting done, and these just flies are everywhere. So I'm going to take a quick pause. Then I thought, man, that, the time I was walking around, I had the camera in my hand, and I was just kind of testing out my new GoPro. And I started shooting the wasp and whatnot, and it turned out a pretty good little clip. I thought it looked like a first person. It was great. So I decided I'd stick the old GoPro to the BugASalt and get some video. So yeah, let's see if we can get this guy right here before we even turn it on. Oh, got him. I hope you guys enjoy this. I enjoy shooting them. Land. Got him. Feel like the old Terminator. Oh, look at that guy. Gonna blast one. Wait, y'all get that guy. Oh yeah. Oh, grounded pound. Come here. Oh, got him. Oh, let's line them up. See if I can get a 2 for 1. Yeah. Don't even know what hit him. Come on, land on the tire. So I'm out here trying to finish up, get the old truck wiped down, and get ready to paint it. A Raptor liner, I should say. These doggone flies are everywhere. So guess what? I'm gonna blast them. Everyone I can find getting blasted. Oop. Come on back. Oh, I got safety on. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I might have got some guts. That'll buff. Yeah, little flies. Man, did I get... Oh, nope. Just dummy. Oh, yeah. I have fly carcasses all over my shop floor. What you gonna do when Dougie comes after you? Here, little flies. And don't tell me I got them all. Man. No way. What's that guy say? What? No way. Man, I hope there ain't copyright on that because I stole it. But that's all right. That guy's funny. Oh, here he goes. It's already cocked. Already safety off. Boom. Got him. All right, guys. Whoop. Walked right into that guy. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I think he got away. Did I go? Ooh, he's buzzing my head. Oh, man, I wonder if I can get one out of the air. Probably not. Oh. Right on the tire. Can you see him? Oh. Right there on the tire. Oh, yeah. All right. So if you don't own one of these, this is like the OG salt gun thing here. This is the BugASalt, the original salt gun. They make a CO2 powered 6-shooter looking one right now that has got to be fabulous, which I would love to have. Hint, hint, Christmas time, birthday coming up, whatever, I don't care. Maybe I'll just go buy it because I can, but yeah, it's fun. But this, it's a good time and, help control the pest population, Yeah. All right, looks like a wrap. If I get a wasp or something that's worth filming here, I'll fire this thing back up. But if not, oh, wait. Here we go. Right up on it. Oh, ooh, look what it did to the primer. Oh, on the tire. Bam. All right. Huh. Apparently that's it. Double tap. Oh yeah. Oh. Maybe if I get my foot up here, I want to land on my foot. Got the old shop dudes on. No? Disappointing. Maybe I'm getting them all. And over here in the old beadlocks and busted ass drive shaft land. No. Got my roll around chair like a little gun turret. Any over here? No. Maybe some on this side of the truck. No. Did I get them all? Surely I didn't get them all. Huh. Must have got them all. Oh no. You guys see that little guy? Oh man. Oh. Did you see him? Oh. I don't know if I could take out a wasp with this thing or not, but I'll tell you what, I'm gonna try to shoot him before he gets me. Oh, here we go, on the wall, coming up. Oh, I got two of them. Oh, God. Move up, same one, not the same one. Oh. Blasted him. It's too easy, folks. It's too easy. All right, anyway, let's call it. I'm probably going to shoot some more, but I got to get this thing done, so we're going to stop filming the old fly eradication. And, yeah, you know, we'll come back to, on the arm of the chair. Oh gosh, it's too easy. Oh, right there's another one. So it rained last night. That's probably what stirred all these little guys up. Oh, on the truck again. Come on, baby. Oh, look. We've got splatter. Got him. Anywho's, like I said, if you like to see here today, like, share, subscribe. We'll get back on this truck and stop wasting time. All right, guys. I appreciate you.